ContentCal is a popular social media management and analytics software, but before you decide to invest in it, there are 12 things you need to know. We'll cover everything from its features to how it stacks up against competitors like Buffer, Hootsuite, and Sprout Social. Stick around till the end, and we'll also share an alternative that could be a better fit for your needs. First thing, ContentCal offers a robust scheduling tool that lets you plan and post content across multiple platforms, all from one dashboard. It's easy to use, but if you're used to Buffer's streamlined approach or Hootsuite's dashboard flexibility, you might find ContentCal a little less intuitive. Next thing, ContentCal's analytics are solid, offering insights into your post's performance. It lets you track engagement, clicks, and overall performance on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. However, when compared to Sprout Social's advanced reporting capabilities, ContentCal's analytics might feel a bit basic for some users. The third thing to keep in mind is ContentCal's collaboration features. If you're working with a team, you'll appreciate how easy it is to approve, reject, or suggest changes to posts. But it's worth noting that tools like Hootsuite offer more robust team collaboration features and permissions. The fourth thing is the content approval workflow. ContentCal has a streamlined system, but if you're managing a larger team, you may find that other platforms like Sprout Social have a more comprehensive approval process to prevent bottlenecks. Next thing, ContentCal offers some customization in your content calendar layout, which can be helpful for staying organized. However, if you're someone who likes extensive customization of your workflows or analytics reports, you might feel limited compared to the flexibility found in other tools like Buffer. The sixth thing is the price. ContentCal is relatively affordable, especially for small businesses, but as your team grows, the pricing can add up quickly. In comparison, Hootsuite offers competitive pricing tiers and might be a more cost-effective solution for larger teams. The seventh thing, ContentCal integrates with a variety of platforms, but if you rely heavily on integrations with more niche apps, you might find it lacking compared to alternatives like Sprout Social, which offers broader third-party app integrations. Next thing is the content curation feature. While ContentCal allows you to curate content directly through its platform, its library of content suggestions and tools for finding new posts to share isn't as extensive as what you'll find on other platforms like Buffer. The ninth thing to consider is mobile accessibility. ContentCal offers a mobile app, but if you're someone who frequently manages your content on the go, you might find the mobile experience a little clunkier compared to Hootsuite, which has a more refined mobile interface. The 10th thing is support. ContentCal's customer service is responsive, but it doesn't offer the same 24/7 support available with platforms like Sprout Social. If you need immediate assistance, this could be a drawback. The 11th thing is the learning curve. While ContentCal is relatively user-friendly, it might take a bit longer to get the hang of compared to Buffer's intuitive interface. But once you get used to it, you'll find it to be a solid platform. Finally, ContentCal is a great tool for managing your social media and analyzing performance. But if you're looking for a platform with more advanced features, broader integrations, and better customer support, you might want to check out other tools like Hootsuite or Sprout Social. If you're still unsure, our recommended solution offers all the features you need and a free trial to help you get started. In conclusion, ContentCal is a solid choice for businesses looking for an easy-to-use platform, but there are other options that could better suit your needs. Check out our recommended solution and see for yourself how it can improve your social media management.